Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a crucial topic for anyone using Amazon Web Services: how to properly back up your EC2 instances. Protecting your data is vital. A good backup strategy can save you from accidental deletions, server crashes, or even major disasters. It ensures you can restore your applications and data quickly. In this video, we'll explore 3 primary methods to get this done, from simple manual steps to a fully automated solution. Let's start with the most direct method: creating an EBS snapshot. Think of your EC2 instance's storage as a virtual hard drive, which AWS calls an elastic block store or EBS volume. A snapshot is a point-in-time copy of this volume. To create one manually, you first go to your EC2 dashboard in the AWS console. On the left menu, find Volumes under Elastic Block Store. Select the volume attached to the instance you want to back up. Then, click the Actions button and choose Create Snapshot. It's very important to add a clear description and tags. Tags help you organize your snapshots, so you know which backup belongs to which server and when it was taken. Once you click Create, AWS begins copying the data. This snapshot can later be used to create a new volume and restore your data. Our second method is creating an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI. An AMI is more than just a data backup. It's a complete template of your entire instance. This includes the operating system, all your installed software, and the data. Creating an AMI is a great way to back up a server if you need to quickly launch an identical copy later. The process is similar to the first method. Go to your EC2 dashboard and select the instance itself, not the volume. Click on Actions, then Image and Templates, and finally Create Image. Give your image a name and a description. You'll see an option for No Reboot. Enabling this means AWS won't restart your instance to create the image, which is good for uptime but might risk data inconsistency if files are being written during the backup. For critical systems, it's often best to allow the reboot. When you create an AMI, AWS automatically creates snapshots of the attached volumes as part of the process. Now for our third and highly recommended method: using the AWS backup service. This is the modern, automated way to handle backups. AWS Backup is a centralized service that lets you create backup policies that can cover multiple AWS services, not just EC2. To set it up, you navigate to the AWS Backup service in the console. First, you create a backup plan. This plan is where you define your rules. For example, you can create a rule that runs a backup every day at 2 a.m. You also define a lifecycle policy, which tells AWS how long to keep the backups before moving them to cheaper, cold storage or deleting them entirely. The best part is how you assign resources. Instead of manually selecting each instance, you can assign resources based on tags. You could tag all your production servers with backup, production, and your backup plan will automatically find and back them up according to your schedule. This is a true set-it-and-forget-it approach, ensuring your backups are always consistent and reliable without daily manual work. So, to recap, you can create a manual EBS snapshot for a simple data volume backup, an AMI for a full instance template, or use AWS Backup for a powerful, automated strategy. For most situations, setting up a policy in AWS Backup is the best practice. It saves time, reduces human error, and gives you a robust disaster recovery plan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. See you in the next one.